Did you know you can generate any sound effect just by typing a sentence? With ElevenLabs AI Sound Effects Generator, you write something like footsteps in a wet cave, and the tool creates a realistic sound instantly. It works for ambience, Foley sounds, transitions, and even cinematic effect, perfect for videos, podcasts, or school projects. The coolest part? You can refine the sound by adjusting style, depth, and intensity. No sound library needed. Follow TechAI for smarter tools every day.